Hi guys, it's Lisa from The Responsible Life, and today I'm going to answer some questions that's come through. So the question I got asked was, I lose weight and I gain it all back. I think we've all gone through that struggle, haven't we? I also get very bored very easily with these diets or these healthy eating plans. Okay, so what I would do, I would basically sit down with you and look at your food diary and actually look at what are you eating in a week. This will give you an indication of the repertoire, the variety, and also kind of like what it's doing to your body. So, for example, say you constantly are, going for the biscuits or the snacks, and that's on your kind of like shopping list. What I would do is basically kind of like encourage you to maybe go and pick up more fruit, more nuts, yogurts, things like that. And on The Responsible Life, we do teach you how to make freshly made shakes and smoothies. And that will actually help curb any cravings that you have for those snacks and biscuits. When you say you lose weight, is that down to exercise as well as your diet? Or is that just doing a crash diet? So I'm not too sure on that angle, but I presume if it's just to do with diet and you're cutting out carbs and you're just basically eating a bit of protein and veg, obviously you will lose weight quite fast. But however, you will still feel very hungry, which is where the gaining it all back comes on very quickly. Sometimes it's to do with emotional eating as well. So for example, say you have had a bad day and you just think, you know what, sack it, I'm going to get a takeaway or a takeout. And then you feel like you've gone 2 steps back. So, but what you realise is by healthy eating plans, they actually help you focus on what you're going to eat for the day, meaning your calorie intake, but also, preparing yourself so that basically you can look forward to the meal as well. In terms of getting very bored on these diets, well, nobody likes dieting, let's be truthful. There is discipline involved. You have to be consistent, persistent and frequent. So for example, say you said you want to lose weight in 30 days, well, you have to drink more water, you will have to follow the meal plan because it's a balanced diet, and you'll have to do some movement as well. So I hope that's answered your question today, and keep the questions coming.